Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian Ince Mendoza. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, December 20, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ang ating series which is about God's generous provision. Specifically, ang magiging topic po natin for today is about God provides everything for the sheep. At ang ating talata po para sa araw na ito ay nagagaling sa Psalm chapter 23 verse 1. Sabi po dito, a Psalm of David, the Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. So upang matutunan pa natin lalo o mabigyan ng kahulugan ang ating talata para sa araw na ito upang matutunan natin kung para saan ba ang series or topic natin para sa araw na ito. Ngayon po, tayo pagdadako sa mga katuruan natin para sa araw na ito. Una po, Christian life is a shepherdship relationship. So imagine po natin na ating Panginoon ay isang shepherd, good shepherd, and tayo po mga mananampalataya niya, tayo po mga followers niya ay yung mga tupa. So we are His sheep, and a shepherd's role is to guide, protect, and care for the sheep. And yung mga sheep naman, ang ano nila is to trust and follow the shepherd. So ganun po ang relationship natin with God. So He lovingly leads us, and tayo naman po, mga followers niya, we trustingly follow His voice. Ikalawa, God is our director, protector, and provider. So, God not only directs us towards the right path, but also pinoprotektahan din niya tayo from danger, from harm, and nagpo-provide siya ng mga bagay na ating kailangan. So, when we stay close to Him, guaranteed yung safety natin, and talagang hindi na tayo pabayaan. So just like sheep under the care of a diligent shepherd. And ikatlo po, we are followers, believers, and receivers. So as God's sheep, we're called to follow His lead, believe in His promises, and receive His blessings. So it is not just about it's not about striving to figure everything out, but it's also about trusting Him to guide us to the things we're supposed to do. So paano po natin ma-apply ang ating mga katuruan para sa araw na ito? Ngayon po, tayo po ay dadako sa ating application. Ano po? Honor our covenant with God. So a covenant is a relationship which is built on trust and commitment. So honor your relationship with God sa pamamagitan ng pagkikinig sa Kanyang salita, sa pagsunod sa Kanyang salita, at pananatiling faithful sa Kanya. So like sheep, stay close to their shepherd. Tayo din po mga followers ng ating Panginoon as near to Jesus Christ in everything we do. Ikalawa, find security in the presence of God. So, wala na pong ibang safe pa na place than being in God's presence. When life feels overwhelming or uncertain, lagi po natin tatandaan that God as your shepherd is always with you. So tayo po nagtiwala sa Kanya, sa guidance niya, and thus in the assurance that He's watching over us. And lastly po is experience God's goodness and mercy. When we follow God po, His goodness and mercy nag-flow talaga yan on every part of our life. So let's take time to notice the ways He care for you, He care for us daily. Mapapalaki mo yan or maliit, let that remind you of how God loves you. So marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na